Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here, CP Certified Research Analyst. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we are updating a lot of videos about the scanner and screeners on charting with the candlesticks pattern. And previously we have finished about two candlesticks pattern, that is a double candlesticks reversal pattern, so that we finished on our previous videos. Now we are going to do on the triple candlesticks pattern that we are going to use our intraday and trading strategy. So what is that triple candlesticks pattern? So we normally take the candle number of candles. So in a single candlesticks pattern like a doji, hammer, in shooting star, we are taking only one single candle. And double candlesticks like oming pigeon, dark cloud cover, or piercing line, that kind of candlesticks pattern we are comparing with the two candles. But this one we are going to take three candlesticks that will give you such a information about the market reversal by based on three candlesticks pattern. That is what we are going to discuss on this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell button, get the regular notification. So I have already made that code to the evening star candlesticks patterns. That was the bearish reversal candlesticks pattern. When you find out this kind of candlesticks pattern at the highest level of the market, there is a huge potential the market is going to reverse, right? So that is why we are waiting for that, right? So again we'll go for that. This is the code, and first of all we will know what is the evening star kind of candlesticks pattern. Let's say a lot of thing is there, and evening star candlesticks pattern, it is looking like this one. So what importance on evening candlesticks pattern? The first candle should be the green body, so that is the market trend to up. The next day should open by gap up and forms a doji or a spinning top or a the small candle. So doji or a spinning top it may be, and the small candle that should be in closing with the negative mode, right? So that should be a red color candle. There is a close is less than the open on that candle, and the next day candle again a gap down. So that is what important. So the first day gap up and forms a red candle, and the small candle that should be a small candle. The next day gap down and market moving down and ending with the lower. It's showing the strong strength. So that is called evening star pattern. There is a reversal below that point or below this point. So according to the high and low, so we will go for that. And if market closes below this candle, if it is this candle is going below that, so that is not a good. So something we can focus this kind of candlesticks pattern that will always work in a market, that and also giving you such a great profit. So let's say you some other patterns lay here, you see the long bullish candle and higher, and the long bearish candle. So now it has broken that. So that is what three candlesticks reversal pattern. This is called as evening star. The opposite for a evening star is nothing but morning star. It looks like opposite to same. Okay, so that code which I have created here on that platform of charting, so where we are creating the scan. So here what is the condition? So the latest open is greater than latest close. That first one is greater than the latest close. Latest open is greater than latest close. So that should be a red candle, right? The open is greater than the close. So that is a red candle. Today should be the red candle, and the latest open is less than 1 day ago close. That is what the gap down. Okay, so that is a gap down we are expecting on the today's candle, and 1 day ago open is greater than 1 day ago close. Right, yesterday it is a red candle and it is 2 days ago greater than 1 day ago close is greater than 2 days ago close. Previous close is higher than the third one, the third candle close. 2 days close is greater than 3 days close. And let's, this is the code for a evening star candlesticks pattern. Let's run that. I will share you the scanner, and this much of stocks we got the candlesticks. Let's say go for 25th August Havels. This one. I'm going to show you what happened. The first candle, next day is gap up and next day is gap down, and there is a doji candle, but this time it is a big compared to previous bull candle. So there is not such a great opportunity, but here it forms a single doji. So that we discussed on our previous. So this is look like exactly morning star, but this one is a big candle that I already told you, and ignore that. Previously, any stock which forms this kind of India, Nippon India. Let's show you that this one thing. One, let's check the date. Yes, 20th August. The first day is a big green candle. Next day should be the range bound. And that is a red candle. Next day it is opening gap down. And this was a evening star candlesticks pattern. Exactly 3 candlesticks reversal pattern, which happens highest level as well as lowest level. Right, so this is what a bearish reversal where we are going to expect this one is forming by highest level even more powerful. But if you check that the previously market is in down, where it is forms at the bottom. But if you are going to take the trade, so whenever it is broke the 3 days low, and that should be your stop loss. But this is not an exact happening at the highest level. Let's go for a previous one. I think this is the Tata Motors. I know that. So that I have done the trade Tata Motors based on the candlesticks pattern here, where you see that there was a top and exact pattern which is from the highest level. Can you able to see that this level is around 300, and from 300 it coming down to 268. So from 303 I think this is the level. So because of I was the trade on that evening star pattern. Again Tata Motor we are expecting there is a reversal, and it was not triggering. I think the low is the doji hammer 281.5. It missed out, so there is a 281.5 is not coming on that. So it is moving up, and today it is going down, right? So this is the candlesticks pattern which I'm going to expect at the level of monthly and weekly. So now I'm going to take the second candle. I should be the highest one, right? Okay, so I'm going to do a lot of filters where we are doing that a lot of stocks which forms the kind of pattern. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to always expect that one which must be happen on the highest level of the day. Okay, that I'm going to expect. So to create that, the high of 2 days ago equal to the of 1 month monthly. So when you apply this filter, we will find out very little stocks or a small quantity or a small number of stocks. So on August 23rd, 25th Havels, that one we rejected, and 6th July, even Tata Motor also not come. Aaro Pharma. Okay, 6, 7, Aaro Pharma. Let go to Aaro Pharma. So Aaro Pharma, where it is from the exact kind of candlestick pattern. Let me check it out. Just okay. Ravindo Pharma. The date where it is forms around 6/7/2021. It's not loading right now. Happened. Internet not good. Everything is working fine now. So this one. So if you are filtering out using this pattern, so we will find out very little or small stock ONGC which is 17.6. So monthly 1 or 2 stocks we got it. But when you know the candlesticks pattern, if you planning there is a shooting star, sorry, that kind of candlesticks what it is. Evening star, right? So when evening star candle forms, so we will getting such a great opportunity where we are going to do. On the same day I did with McDowell, so that is also be evening star, where you can see that evening star candle pattern which forms at this particular area. But this one triggers your entry and triggers your stop loss. After the stop loss it was, and again there is a candlesticks pattern which forms. So now reversal. So hope you understand what I'm discussing with that video. And Arrow Pharma, we are going to check it out now. It is working good. Shooting Star, I think 6th July, it is happening. Arrow Pharma, this one. Arrow Pharma, which forms on 6/7/2021, where you check that there is a exact candlesticks pattern forms the shooting star at the highest level. After that, the market is. So one or two trade is good enough to make such a great profit. Where if you finding out the right trade opportunity at highest level as well as the lowest level, that was giving you such a great confidence where we are going to make a such a great intraday or even a positional trade. So that is about my thing. So this is another candlestick scanner where we can use for a monthly even highest level, or we can avoid this. So if you want to check manually, so we can run it out and we can get a lot more stocks on that 28th. Meanwhile 6th, and again we got on August 9th, that is Torrent Power. Let's check whether it is right or wrong. Torrent Power August 9th, somewhere here, sorry, this one. So this one is not a valid because previous candle should be bullish candle, the second one should be red, and third one big. Here we find out all the three are red, and again this one is forming a shooting star like or hammer today. It gives you such a 7 rupees. So this is the power of the candlesticks pattern. So where you are following my YouTube, and thank you for your watching my videos and subscribing with us. And we are happy to announce that we are reaching more than 2,800 subscribers right now. We are increasing our subscribers. Those who are interested to learn more, you can just feel free to contact my number just scrolling on this video. Thank you for watching, and I will share you that link on my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much.